The next ones, you are evaluating things with exponents. They want to remind you that if there are not parentheses or it's on the outside of your expression, that negative sign is a -1 times my value. So what this means is -1 times 9 squared. If I follow my order of operations, I have to square first. 9 squared, 9 times 9 is 81. And -1 times 81 is -81. As opposed to this, people look at that and they say, oh, that are the same things. They're not, because one has parentheses and the other one doesn't. So here, when I have the parentheses, this one means -9 times -9, and I end up with a positive answer. Now your calculator knows these things, so if you push it into your calculator just like it looks, here without the parentheses or here with the parentheses, you should get the right values on your calculator. This next one here, I have a negative sign in front of -2 cubed. So technically what that means is -1 times my -2 cubed. If I follow my order of operations, I do the exponent first. So I would cube my -2. -2 times -2 times -2 is -8. Then I multiply -1 times -8. Negative times a negative makes that a positive answer. So, number 5. What that one means is I'm going to take -1 times my -9 squared. If I do my exponent part first and I square a -9, I get positive 81. Then I'm going to take -1 times positive 81, so my final answer is -81, exactly. This one, again, doesn't have parentheses. Technically what it means is -1 times 4 to the 3rd power. So I'm going to start out with doing 4 to the 3rd power. 4 times 4 times 4. Whoops, no. Nope.
No, wait.
Now you do have a cubed button on your calculator. It's over here, so you could do 4 and hit that X cubed button. That's my final answer. So 4 cubed is 64. When I multiply it by my -1, I end up with -64. So my suggestion is try these ones without using your calculator, then punch it into your calculator and see if you get the same number or not. Because you want to get proficient at doing it both ways. Number 6, I have minus a -3 cubed. So try it on your paper. So it means -1 times -3 cubed. What are we going to end up with for an answer?
27.
Positive 27. A -3 cubed is -27, and then a negative times a negative ends up being a positive. The second one, we have negative times 8 squared, so -1 times 8 squared would give me an answer of
64.
8 squared is 64, and then when I take it times -1, I'm going to get -64.